Yes, children, I am Vinod Mittal from Springfield Public School, and we will continue our lecture that is related to integer. Exercise 1.3, question number 3. First part, for any integer a, what is -1 multiply a equal to? So the question number 3, first part, -1 multiply a equal to. So we will multiply these two, and a multiply 1 will be a, and sign according to chart. In case of multiplication, sign according to chart, and chart says that if one number is positive, another is negative, one positive, another is negative, then sign will be of negative. Similarly, its second part, determine the integer whose product with -1 is -22. Second part, subpart A. So directly we will write the answer. We need to tell the integer which when multiplied with -1 will give -22. So naturally that will be the 22, because 22 when we will multiply it with -1, 22 with multiply by -1, it will give -22. 37. So the answer of B part will be -37, because -37 when we will multiply it with -1, so 37 1 just 37, and negative will become positive. C part 0, so answer of will be 0. Next is question number 4, starting from -1 multiply 5, write various products showing some pattern to show -1 multiply -1 equal to 1. So question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4, that is starting from -1 multiply 5, we need to write the pattern. So -1 multiply 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0, then -1. Up to this part we need to calculate the answer of these patterns. So starting from -1 multiply 5 up to -1 into -1 equal to 1, we need to write all the answers. So -1 multiply 5 will be -5, -1 multiply 4 will be -4, -1 multiply 3 will be -3, -1 multiply 2 will be -2, -1 multiply 1 will be -1, -1 multiply 0 will be 0. Next, question number 5, which is important for the examination point of view also. So various properties will be used here. Question number 5, A part, that is 26 into -48, 26 into -48 plus -48 into -36. So you can see that this question is related to converse of distributive property. Before the plus and after the plus there are two parts, and in both the parts we are saying we are looking that minus 48 that is common. So this is related to converse of distributive property where we will take common. So minus 48 we will take as common, and inside the bracket, when this is taken as common, so inside the bracket there will be 26, then plus, and here it will be minus 36. So better you put the square bracket because already parenthesis we have used here. So now we will solve it. Minus 48 bracket 26 minus 36, combined sign will be of minus according to chart. Then minus 48 multiply minus 10 because they will be subtracted, and big figure sign will be there in the result. So minus 10. Now minus 48 multiply minus 10. So 10 into 48, 480, and sign according to chart. In the chart we have written that if both the numbers are negative, then also there will be plus sign in the answer. That is not required. So answer will be 48. So this question is related to converse of distributive property. Now the B part, 8 multiply 53 multiply minus 125. B part of question number 5. 8 multiply 53 multiply minus 125. So you can use any property here. You can do this question directly also. 8 multiply 53, then whatever answer come, that will be multiply minus 125. And if we use the associative property, so we should multiply these two first, because if we multiply these two, 8 5 ja 40, 0 is coming at the last, so that will be convenient to multiply these two, and after the multiplication of these two to multiply with 53, that will be convenient. So what we are doing, 8 multiply minus 125, we will multiply these two first, multiply 53, that is later on. So after the multiplication of these, 8 5 ja 40, 4, 8 2 ja 16 plus 4 20, 2, 8 1 ja 8 plus 2 10, and sign will be of minus. So you will get minus 1000 into 53. Now 53 into minus 1000, sign will be of minus, and it will be 53,000. So it will be easy, but you can do in that way also. 8 multiply this, whatever the answer will come, that will be multiply 125. In that case you will have to calculate a lot. You can do some mistake also, but you can do in this way also, that is easy. Next is 15 multiply minus 25 multiply minus 4 multiply minus 10. 15 multiply minus 25. C part, 15 multiply minus 25 multiply minus 4 multiply minus 10. So first of all we should multiply, we should try to multiply the numbers which can give us the maximum number 0, maximum numbers of zeros. Like if I multiply these two, 25 4 ja 100, 25 4 ja 100, then 100 will be multiplied by this 10, that will become 1000, then 1000 can be multiplied by 15. You can multiply in any order, but better way is to multiply first of all the numbers which gives the 0 at the end, so that our multiplication become easy. So 15 we are putting as it is, multiply, first we are multiplying these two. So 25 4 ja 100, and sign according to chart both the numbers are negative, so plus sign will be there. You can put or you can ignore it, because plus sign can be ignored but negative sign cannot be ignored. So plus sign will be there, so no need to put. Multiply minus 10 as it is. Now multiply these two. 15 again we are putting as it is, so we are multiplying these two, it will become 1000, but this time one number is positive, second number is negative. Sign according to chart in case of multiplication will be minus, and this multiply this will become minus 15,000. Then D part, that is related to distributive property. D part, minus 41 multiply 102. So minus 41 minus 41 multiply 102. So we will do this question by distributive property. So minus 41 we will write as it is, and 102 we will write 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2 to make our multiplication easy. So minus 41 multiply 100, then this sign will be there, plus minus 41 multiply 2, minus 41 multiply 2. This is the base of distributive property. Those who don't know how to use this distributive property, go in the video, third video of integers, third part. We have discussed all the properties over there, so you can see that video. Minus 41 multiply 2 will be written here, and in between the sign will be this one. So minus 41 multiply 100, so it will be 4100, but sign according to chart, one number is negative, another is positive, so negative sign will be there according to chart. Here also one number is negative, another is positive, so negative answer will be there. 41 2 ja 82. Now make the combined sign, minus 4100. Then also we will take the help of chart for the combined sign. It will be minus 82. Now same sign figure will be added and sign will remain same in the result. Sign will remain same in the result. So this is the way to do. C part, that is related to converse of distributive property. Sorry, E part. 625 multiply 625 multiply minus 35 plus minus 625 multiply 65. So before the plus and after the plus, which number is looking same? That is 625, but this minus is creating a problem. Otherwise we will take 625 as common. So this minus we will take with this one, and then we will take the common 625. So 625 multiply minus 35 plus 625 multiply minus 65. So this minus we have taken with this one. Now 625 is same. We will take 625 as common, and inside the bracket it will be minus 35 plus it will be minus 65. Now 625 minus 35 combined sign according to chart, that will be minus 65. And now 625, same sign figures will be added and sign will remain same in the result. So it will be minus 100. So multiply it, minus 62500, because after multiplication with 100, 2 more 0 will be there at the end of 625. Sign according to chart, here it is minus, here it is plus, so according to chart it will be minus. So try to do F part, G part, H part by your own, using the properties, suitable properties. It is written in the headline also, using suitable properties solve these. So you can use any property. Now come to the next question, that is question number 6. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature is lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begin? So now the temperature of the room is 40 degree Celsius. This is question number 7. Present temperature is, sorry, question number 6. Present temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. And it is decreasing 5 degrees Celsius every hour. So in 1 hour, temperature is decreasing 5 degrees Celsius. So naturally in 10 hours, temperature will decrease 5 degree multiply 10, 50 degree Celsius. So 50 degrees Celsius the temperature will be decreased. So final temperature after 10 hours, therefore final temperature after 10 hours will be, now the initial temperature is 40 degrees Celsius and it is decreasing 50 degrees Celsius minus 50 degrees Celsius. So they will be subtracted, but after subtraction big figure sign will come in result. So minus 10 degree Celsius will be your answer. Now the question number 7. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer, minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer, 0 for question not attempted. 5 marks will be given for the correct answer, but minus 4 marks will be given, minus 2 marks will be given for incorrect, and 0 will be given for not attempting. For correct answer, marks plus 5. For incorrect answer, minus 2. Not attempting, 0 marks will be given. First part. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answer. What is his score? Mohan scores. So he has done 6 incorrect and 4 correct. So 4 correct will be multiplied by 5 plus 6 incorrect will be multiplied by -2. So total score will be this one, 4 into 5 plus 6 into -2. So it will be 4 5 are 20 plus it will become -12 and 20 minus 12 because combined sign, and it will be 8 marks will be there of Mohan. Similarly, Reshma gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect. So for the Reshma, 5 multiply 5 plus 5 multiply -2, we will calculate like this. So second part and third part you will try by your own. Question number 8. Question number 8. A cement company earns profit ₹8 per bag of white cement and a loss of ₹5 per bag of grey cement. So profit on white cement bag ₹8. Loss on grey cement bag ₹5. Company sells 3,000 bags of white cement, 5,000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is his profit or loss? So profit on 3,000 white bags. Will be 8 multiply 3,000, it will be 24,000 rupees. 24,000. Loss on 5,000 grey bags. So 5,000 multiply 5, 5,000 multiply 5, ₹25,000. So overall the company is getting profit or loss. This we need to decide. So we can do like this also, 24,000 minus 25,000. Overall profit or loss, that is 24,000 minus 25,000, and we are getting minus 1,000. It means we are getting loss because number is coming in minus. Therefore, loss of rupees 1,000. If number remains positive, it means our profit is more than the loss, so we are in the profit. But here our profit is less than the loss, so we are in the loss. Overall we are in the loss. Next, the B part. What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if number of grey bags sold is 64,000. The B part. B part, number of white cement bags are question mark. Number of grey cement bags are 6,400. So the position of that neither profit nor loss means if I multiply 8 with this, and then I am subtracting 5 multiply 6,400, I should get 0 according to question. So we are taking X, the number of cement bags. Because we want to find out number of white cement bag. So white cement bag multiply profit minus grey cement bag multiply its loss, and the combined answer must be 0. That is, neither we are in profit nor we are in loss. So we will put 0 for no profit no loss situation. So 8x minus this multiply this 50 5 into 4 22, 5 6 30 32 equal to 0. So we have done the chapter 4 of simple equations. So now it is a simple equation, we need to find out X. So take this 32,000 to that side, so it will be 8x equal to, it will become positive there, it will become positive on that side, that we have learned in chapter 4. And to find out X, it will be 32,000 divided by 8, because 8 is multiplying here, it will go in the division. 8 1 ja 8, 8 4 ja 32, 0 0 0. So X is 4,000. So X is nothing but number of white cement bag. So we will say X equal to 4,000. Therefore, number of white cement bags is equal to 4,000. So company should sell 4,000 cement bags to get the situation of no profit, no loss. Then question number 9 is there, replace the blank with an integer. So at the place of blank, you can put X and then find x, that will be your answer. For example, question number 9, A part, -3 multiply dash equal to 27. So put x at the place of blank. So x we need to find out 27. It is multiplying to this side, so it will go in the denominator, -3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 9 ja 27, and remove this minus and put it with the numerator, and it will be -9 upon 1, and 1 we can remove, so we can write -9. So at the place of blank, again we will write the answer line, -3 multiply -9 is equal to 27. So like this, you will have to do all the other part B, C and D and complete exercise 1.3. Thank you.